The Procolored F13 Pro Panda is a powerful DTF printer designed for serious creators and print businesses. I have provided the link to this printer in the description below if you want to know how much it costs. This machine takes direct-to-film printing to the next level with dual XP600 print heads that dramatically speed up production. It can deliver full-color, high-resolution output at up to 2800 by 1400 dpi, and it prints an A3 sheet in just 3 to 4 minutes, which is a big deal if you're working with bulk orders or tight deadlines. It supports CCMMYK plus 6W color for vibrant detail and a richer print result, while the A3 Plus printing area gives you the freedom to handle bigger jobs without constantly resetting your layout. One of the standout features is the upgraded Procolored siphon white ink circulation system. Unlike traditional mechanical pressure-based systems, this siphon method maintains consistent ink flow without stressing the ink lines. That means fewer breakdowns, less maintenance, and a much longer system lifespan. Combine that with the automated stirring and cleaning system, and you've got a printer that doesn't just work fast, it stays running without constantly needing attention. Even during standby, the moisturizing function keeps the print heads from drying out, which helps prevent poor print quality due to clogs. It's the kind of reliability that keeps your workflow smooth and stress-free, especially if you're printing daily. Another thing worth pointing out is the film-saving cutter system. This printer allows continuous printing using roll film, and thanks to the built-in cutter and tray, it cuts only where you need, which helps reduce wasted film and keeps your operating costs down. The compact build makes it suitable even for smaller studios, but the performance is absolutely on par with much larger, more expensive industrial machines. Whether you're running a clothing brand, handling custom orders, or scaling your printing business, this model is packed with smart engineering that supports both speed and consistency. The included warranty gives additional peace of mind, and their 24/7 support shows the company is serious about keeping you up and running without downtime.